In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach an email to another email in Outlook. If you need to forward a message as an attachment, instead of simply copying its contents into the body of a new email. Outlook makes this very easy. This is especially useful when you want to preserve the original formatting, include the full message exactly as it was received, or share an email thread with someone else in a cleaner, more organized way. To begin, open Microsoft Outlook and make sure you can see both your inbox and the main toolbar. Once Outlook is open, start a new message by clicking New and then select Email. This will open a blank email window where you can prepare the message you want to send. Next, enter the recipient's email address in the To field. If needed, you can also add anyone else in the CC or BCC fields, depending on who should receive the message. At this stage, you're basically setting up the new email before adding the original message as an attachment. Now, go to your inbox and locate the email you want to attach. The easiest way to do this is to keep the new message window visible while also being able to see your inbox. Then, click and drag the email from your inbox directly into the new email window. When you drop it into the message, Outlook will automatically add it as an attachment. Once that's done, enter a clear subject line for your email. A good subject helps the recipient understand what the message is about right away, especially if you're sending an attached email for reference, approval, or review. You can also type a short message in the body of the email to explain why you're sending the attachment, which is often helpful for context. Finally, review everything to make sure the correct email has been attached, the recipient information is accurate, and the subject line is in place. After that, click Send. And that's it. You've successfully attached an email to another email in Outlook. This is a simple but very useful feature that can help keep communication clear and professional, especially when you need to share original messages exactly as they were received.